It's your girl Caitlin, and you know it. So we have no flash today, so we're just gonna work in the dark. But we have a light. So
the light all the way on?
Yes,
No.
It's okay. They can still see it. This stuff came out of my hair. Thank you.
It's so light in here.
See, I deserve to get a shout out. I deserve to get everything.
He does.
Subscribe to my cousin's channel.
No, there's no shout outs on this channel. Sorry.
Subscribe. It's only shout outs.
Follow your warrior on Instagram. Only one Timmy.
Butterfly.
Stop.
Oh shit! These
them,
are not fake anyway.
Let them see the slime. This slime is strawberry milkshake. So what we're gonna do is just call out.
Wait, that's strawberry milkshake. The orange is
Orange.
No,
it was
this
cheesecake.
No, it was tangerine, and that is lemon.
Orange.
That one
It
is
could be a
lemon
grapefruit.
lime.
That's a grapefruit.
No, that's banana cream pie. The yellow
Banana
banana
cream
cream
pie
pie.
Delicious.
So guys,
sounds
I thought that
gross.
was green.
this slime
No, it's
is
yellow.
really good. Let me see real quick.
Looks like me.
No, I'm doing a challenge.
I want to give them like a good view. Here's strawberry milkshake.
See, one of y'all bottles there.
Here's other
This is where they got this from. They're like y'all. Y'all supposed to say unsponsored.
Flarp owes me money.
We're not sponsored from this.
Guys,
we make this into real slime by adding content.
Katie, your thumb's right there.
Stop, dummy!
Stop farting!
That's the slime, y'all. If y'all wonder what I'm talking about, but it's Flarp.
Not sponsored.
Hey, y'all. We did not make this. Don't put your heads in the way. I already made a lot of videos, and they know who I am, and I got 14 views.
I just
You do?
She want to view the video herself.
What are you doing? Okay, I'm going to do what Timothy is doing, my brother.
Timmy's shaking it.
Yeah, I don't
Oh my
know.
god, I'm doing that challenge. Oh shoot.
Oh, oof. Slime. I really love slime. It's so easy to make, so I make it up. So if you want to, wait, hold on, guys. If you want to know where we got this Flarp from, it's from Family Dollar. It's Noise Putty, and it's Flarp.
The unique contact solution make it slime.
If you have like the yellow and
Orange.
yeah, you need contact solution. But if you have strawberry milkshake, remember about this video. If you ever get some Flarp, and remember, I watched this girl who had some Flarp. So, and then you know where we got Flarp from.
How did my hand get like this, guys?
And please get me to a lot of subscribers.
Please give her two.
When I get a Rubik's Cube, I'm gonna time myself to see how on her YouTube channel. I'm gonna time myself and see how long.
Stop putting it down on the table,
Timmy!
guys. Quit. Yo, nasty foot.
Put all the
mine?
slime on the floor.
No, Timothy.
Why is the challenge, Timothy?
Yours.
This look.
They all the way over there.
This Flarp is like, okay, guys, just act like we're making a YouTube video. So this Flarp is
getting
like
really
used.
lost.
This
Gabby, Lovely, and me. They live a good life. I live a horrible life. Like
this
that's where the
Flarp-
sad music can be coming. No, that's the Illuminati. Yeah, we
I'm gonna add music to the background. Yes, I know
What
how
type
to
of
do that.
editor you use? Keen Master?
Come on.
What editor do you use?
It's a thing called video editor and YouTube editor.
Like
Keen Master the best.
She can't post
emoji on
She can't post videos on her iPhone.
I can only post videos on this phone if you guys are wondering.
You could put emojis on this.
I don't know.
Yeah, well, my video editor.
You need to follow.
And I can add like things if you guys want. I'm gonna add like slime things that says slime that pop up. Slime in your face. Ooh! And then slime dripping on your camera. It's gonna be so lit. But you guys won't even know how I'm gonna edit it because it's gonna be so good. But like when you guys see the video, you're gonna know that it's.
So guys, I'm finna shake up my
So guys, I am not done with this video. It look. It looked like strawberry milkshake so bad. Okay, that's our sleeve.
No, you messed it up. It's supposed to be coming out slowly.
I'm about to take off my jacket.
Look at that.
Stop.
But you
Don't
gotta
do
make it look satisfying. So like you got wait.
Hold on.
You gotta make it look.
Stop, lovely.
Okay.
Look, move that. So satisfying.
Pick it up. This king satisfied, dude.
Stringy.
Again,
Timmy, your hair big.
What?
It just blocked the whole camera.
So guys, remember, if you guys ever have some Flarp, remember to go in this video. And if you want like editor to edit it, just download editor. Okay, let me give him a hat.
2%.
So guys, I am obsessed with Flarp. Like, it's better than slime because
He's eating
some slimes can make your hands burn. Of
You
like
with borax.
If you make slime of borax,
make some boards. You're gonna have diabetes if you make slime with. I don't know where that came from.
so guys, move your slime. Like, that's good. That's
I'm making a hamburger. It's gonna be those pinkish hamburgers you guys saw. That sounds so.
If you guys know what Flarp is, please let me know in the comments.
Yeah, you go there.
Let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna do a video while I'm at the movies tomorrow. So
Yeah. Who you going to the movies with, huh?
All the girls
Not
going.
coming. All the girls coming. Khalees, Gabby, Lovely, you, me, and I wish Leilani could come, but she
I'm
won't.
coming automatically.
No,
Who
you're
is
not.
Khalees?
It's all girl. My
Who's Elise?
Khalees.
Oh, I know Khalees, that girl.
At my birthday party, and I wasn't spending no time with y'all.
Exactly.
Y'all
Y'all
being
can't go
fake on your
together. Birthday. I'm like, Katie, where you going?
You wasn't even on my phone. You were.
At work, whatever. She was only going with Khalees. Right, that's fake.
I missed her because I haven't saw her.
Don't nobody care. That girl that went to Dave and Buster's.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
But
guys,
you
let
see
me
her in
wait.
your
Hold
school.
on. She doesn't go to my school. Let me tell you about my friend. Well, hold on. Let me tell you about my friend. So I gave her some noodles, right? And then she asked for some mo. I was like, no, I don't have any. She asked for oatmeal cream pie. I didn't have any because I have to go grocery shopping. She called me the B word, so I had the emoji, so I sticked it up at her. So and then she was crying over some food, bro.
Now what if she all got food at home? Now you would have felt bad, you meanie.
No, because she said I was lying and I really wasn't. She called me the B word, and she called me dummy and a stupid.
The B word, she called me an N word earlier.
What?
She called me a ninja.
Get that contact.
She called me an F-er. She be cussing at me. She called me an F-er. She called me a friend. She called me.
So guys, if you are loving this satisfying video right now,
It's really not satisfying because everybody is talking.
okay guys, stop talking, okay? I'm gonna play music at this part. Pokey, oh happy my old friend. I wish
My
you.
arm's getting tired.
I knew it.
Thank you.
No, Timmy. Oh.
My arm's getting
Sit right here. Stand up here. Stop moving. Okay, so Timothy is my brother, and he is the video camera boy.
Hello.
Stop. I do not let my brother do anything.
Now we're gonna go to the movies one.
Look, guys, stop.
If I need to talk to the camera, can I talk to the camera?
No. If the only person they need to talk to is me.
Lovely.
What is mine?
What
this
you
one?
in there?
Play with that one. That one's better.
Sorry, guys. I have to take out my slime because I'm my only camera.
I'm licking a lip. No.
He just
Why
left.
put in contact solution everyone?
Because I can, bro.
There's gonna be a part
yeah.
2 to this video soon. But thank you guys for watching this.
Shut your faces.
Thank you guys for watching this video of Flarp slime. If you know what the if you clicked on this video and you know what the title is already, then you know. Please like and subscribe. Bye.